This is Enoch Macias with Copy Graphics. A frequent call that we get is when there is a paper jam on one of our Canon units. To help you get back to productivity as soon as possible, this is the process. You'll see the paper jam happen, the unit will stop, it'll tell you on the screen that there's a jam. Come over to the right-hand side of the machine and open the side door. So we open the right-hand door and the bottom right-hand door. You'll notice the tabs where the paper comes out from the different trays. Make sure that there's no paper in there. If there is, please remove it, even if you have to open the paper tray and get that paper out of the way. Close the drawers. After closing those side doors, come back over to the finisher side on the left side. If you'll open the finisher door, make sure that there's no paper jams in these areas here. Immediately you'll be able to see the papers there. If there's not, then close those back up again and close the finisher door. Once you have cleared paper from the right and on the left side of the machine, there's the center door to be opened. And you'll notice that there is a knob in the center. You want to make sure that you turn the knob at least 5 times, because what that does is move the paper from the sides over into the center part of the processing unit. Once you have turned this 5 times, pull the lever down to pull the processing unit out, then very gently and listen very carefully to make sure that there's no paper being crushed in these areas as you pull the processing unit out. Everything sounds clear. That means that no paper is stuck on this side or that side that would tear up. You would simply look on here. If the paper is jammed here, remove that jam by pulling your paper out. The other place that the paper may be is on the bottom part on the transfer tray. Reach in here, take a paper jam out and close. Once you have removed the paper jam, if it's on the right side or the center or the bottom, look towards the left side, opening this door, making sure that there's no paper stuck in this area. If there is, simply remove it. You always want to make sure that you pull out a full piece of paper, not a torn piece of paper with pieces that are missing and still inside the machine that will continue to cause jams. If you do not have a full piece of paper and you know that it's torn, please look and make sure that you can get the little separate pieces all out of the machine. If you cannot, then call for service. Close the left-hand door and push the processing unit back in. Lock your lever, close your door, and you're ready to make a copy.